This is a Beelink mini computer. This one has a Ryzen 5 5600H processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabyte solid state drive, Wi-Fi 6E. So there's a bunch of accessories. We'll look in that box in a minute. And here it is. Looks like it has some good vents for air on 3 sides. And here's the ports in the back. We have 2 HDMI ports, USB 3, and USB, and the LAN port, and the power port. And then on the front, there's the power button, audio, USB-C, USB 3.0s. Got the Ryzen 5 label here, and this has the Radeon AMD Vega 10 graphics. Now let's see what's in the accessories box. Oh, looks like a little mounting bracket. You can mount this to the back of a computer screen if you like. What is this? Oh, that's a little SATA cable, looks like. And then some screws. And we have the power cord. The output is 19 volt and 3 amp. And it comes with a little, what is this? It's probably HDMI. Yep, HDMI cable. And another HDMI cable. The one thing I forgot to mention is the HDMI cables. This one is longer and this one is much shorter. We're going to open it up and see what the inside looks like. There's 4 small screws here. One on each corner. Oh, all right. We got the M2 solid state drive. We got over here. We got the RAM here. You can upgrade it to 64 gigabytes of RAM. And then here's another hard drive slot on this side. So right now I'm running the Beelink computer with Pop! OS Linux and also dual booting Windows 11. Right now I'm in Pop! OS Linux and I'm editing this video that I'm going to upload, and I'm going to probably make a additional video link to my installation of Linux video and my dual boot setup, so keep an eye out for that. So here's the Beelink running Windows 11. We can select the dual boot option with the F7 key,